What's going on, everyone? Jay from MTX Audio here, and today we're going to be unboxing our brand new TERMINATOR TN150.2 2-channel amplifier. Just to give you a better idea of what's in the box, the physical layout, and we're going to be going through just a couple of quick features and functions. So let's go ahead, let's jump on in. So to start off, the box itself will give you basic information, very small, compact. So let's go ahead, let's open this up. So when you first open up the box, the first thing you're going to notice is the certified amp dyno sheet. Every amplifier on our TN series will have one, and this will give you basically a birth sheet of your power rating on the amplifier. With this amplifier, you will also have 2 Allen heads to screw the power wire and speaker remote turn on the terminals. And you will have 4 Phillips screws to mount. You will also have an instruction manual. Now this instruction manual is the same across all of our TN platforms. So let's go ahead, let's open this up. And we'll also include an MTX sticker. For the amplifier itself, let's go ahead, let's unbox this thing. Okay, let's open this up. As you can see, very small chassis. Easy to install as far as space-wise. Okay, let's start with the power. First off, you have a 4-gauge ground, 16-gauge remote turn on, 4-gauge 12-volt power, and then 16-gauge speaker wire left and right sides because it's a 2-channel amplifier. Moving on the other end, you will have your RCA input left and right. You'll have a power protect light, so when the unit is functioning properly, it'll be illuminated blue. When it notices that there may be an issue of some sort, whether it be voltage, some kind of protection, the protection circuit will light up red. You have your gain for your gain adjustment, and you will have the ability to go from high path for speakers, full path, or low path if you want to use this for a small subwoofer, and a frequency adjustment of 40 Hertz to 400 Hertz. And that just about covers it. If you want to take more time to, learn about it, see more information, head on over to our website, mtx.com, or you can head on over to any of our online or in-store authorized dealers. And there you have it, our TERMINATOR TN150.2. We appreciate you taking the time out to check this out, and sound is a place. Let MTX take you there.